Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. So yesterday, I made a mistake and accidentally deleted the Vlogmas from the day before. Well, I didn't realize it, and several of you messaged me and let me know, and I really appreciate you guys for letting me know. But I have had some technical difficulties this week, and even Keith couldn't figure out what was going on. So I've had to change my editing software, and now I have a video that it finally rendered, the one that I was having problems with, but now it's stuck on YouTube at 95%. We'll see what happens, you guys. It's just turning into a hot mess. So, you know, Autumn said, oh, it can't be Vlogmas. She keeps saying, you can't put up random videos. Well, I guess I can just call it VlogMESS YotaStyle, because that's what it's turning into. Yesterday, I went to Hobby Lobby. I had to get a canvas, and it's the one on the easel that's tilted. So I have to paint a very large Santa. It's a commission. COVID numbers are just spiking like crazy. So I thought, I'm going to Hobby Lobby, my favorite store, and I'm just gonna go in there, get the canvas, and come out. So I was like, canvas, 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 you know, trying to stay focused. So that's what I did, you guys. That was a first. That was amazing. And it took a lot of self-control. So it's pouring down raining today. I don't plan to go anywhere, and I have about 4 Christmas gifts still left to go, and then I am finished. So I'm super excited about that. So I think I'm gonna go downstairs, make up my bed, and then come back and check this. You guys, I've been up since 6:30, it's 10:30. I don't know what I've done today except sit here and look at this screen, and I'm starting to get exasperated, so. Yeah, so let's go make up the bed. Voila! Nice. Nice and cozy. My room is all clean. Oh gosh, look in the bathroom. There's another pile. I'm a piler, you guys. But anyway, so I've got this clean, the bed made up. I need to dust. I've got this entire corner clean. There's my little trampoline, my yoga mat and weights, because our gym is torn apart right now. And right here, I think I want to get a tall lamp to go behind the chair. So when I sit in this chair and read, and a little table right there. I had one, but I think it's in the basement. I'm not sure where it is, but anyway. So yeah, everything's nice and clean, and I have another pile to clean. But it looks so cozy. You guys, I can't leave my room without featuring my bag of the week and a half, the past week and a half. So normally I carry my bags for a week, and this has been the bag that I've been carrying now for a week and a half. So I might change it out, but I think I'll pick it back up because it's such a beautiful red Christmassy bag. Oh, I just love it. Oh, I love it. Okay, so that's my bag of the week. The Louis Vuitton Capucines in the BB size. I just heard something at the door, and I bet it's packages, packages, packages. Yes, let's see. Oh yeah, more packages. So exciting. Okay, so we'll see what this is. Look what a day. Wow, what a rainy, cold day. You know what, you guys? I think I'm gonna stay in my jammies all day. Is that okay? Do you guys have a problem with that? And look at my mom's. Hello. But first, packages. Okay, so let's take these packages in. I'm so excited. And I have some wrapping to do. So this one is for Keith. Oh my gosh, I better put that in. What if it's for me? What if it's a gift for me? Oh, I'm so excited. I kind of think I'm getting a lump of coal for Christmas this year. Let me show you Gus's favorite new spot. Hey Gus. Hey Gus. Say hello, YouTube. He loves to lay under the tree so I don't put gifts there. I had some and he would still try to get back there, so I just moved them. Hey Gus. You comfy? Hmm? Okay, so I got out of my jammies. I'm just wearing my overalls that I wear to paint in. I'm just going to show you guys a little bit along as I make progress on this painting. So anyway, I have toned the canvas with ultramarine blue and burnt sienna, and it makes this really pretty sepia color. And I have let it sit on the canvas for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to wash it off. And if I like the mid-tone that I get, then I will start the painting. If not, I can always add more. So I'll get my trusty paper towel and start wiping off, and I always paint the sides. Probably she will have this frame, but I like to paint the sides because I like a completely finished painting. And sometimes I have to scratch little hairs off that get stuck in the weave of the canvas. Okay, so see, I tapped it and then I kind of wiped it, and the canvas has this lovely texture. This is the Santa I'm working on, and I'm going to personalize it with her grandchildren's names. So anyway, it's a large canvas. All right, and 10 minutes later, here's what I've got. So I just took a paper towel, you guys, and I just start wiping out where the light is going to be, okay? So this is literally the fur on his hat. Here's his face, okay? Some hair. This is the pom-pom of the hat. Shoulder. This one's higher. So I eyeballed it. I did not measure anything. So I just wanted to start it out like that. You can see his hand. He's holding the list to see who was naughty and who was nice. So I'm going to wipe this out because the paper is going to be light. And this is my favorite technique, you guys. It would work with just about anything. I don't always use this technique, but I like it. So I'm going to wipe out some of this. I'm really just wiping out the lights because, and this is not a painting video, this is a vlog, but this is what I do every day. In painting, when you're painting, we have to really get our values right, and that's how you get the likeness. So we'll work on that later, but you can see I just have the outline, okay? And I used it all with my handy dandy paper towel. Okay, so here I am starting to work on the background because I need something to judge the skin tones by, and I put a little light here, and once I get that like I want it, I'll probably start working on the hat. But you can see that I took my paper towel and I rubbed out even more. I dip it in Gamsol and I just rub out where the white hair is going to be before that stains or dries. Okay, so you can see it's definitely the shape. And in the beginning, when you're painting, you always start with large shapes and values. And after that, everything's easy peasy. I'm gonna try to sneak and scare the daylights out of Keith. here he comes. I hear the doors. Okay.
Really? Weirdo.
Welcome home. Welcome home. Well, that went well. Yeah. Oh boy, okay. Ooh, he's got packages. Let's see if it's something that I have ordered. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is a company reached out to me and wanted to send me these Forever Roses. So I'll check those out. We always get something from Amazon. All right. So Keith orders the dorkiest things. Tell him what you ordered, Keith.
It's supposed to be an air mattress for the back of your minivan. It's like an air mattress for ants. It's tiny.
We won't both fit on that. Sometimes when we're on trips and we're driving a long time, instead of getting a room, we'll just stop at a rest area and just pull over and get in the back of the van and sleep a few hours. Well, he orders this.
From wish.com.
Oh God, it's so tiny. It's tiny. Well, what are you gonna do with it?
I don't know. Live and learn.
Yeah, really. I've never even heard of wish.com. So I'm having a glass of iced tea, because that's what we drink in the South.
Sweet.
Sweet tea. I literally, no, I did have some Dr. Pepper earlier, but I haven't really eaten today except a couple of kularakia. Yeah, that's all I've had today. No, I had some peanuts. So, I guess for dinner we're gonna have a piece of leftover pizza. And then I'll work some more on my painting. Hey, Keith. All right, what did they send us? Show us.
I'm not sure exactly. Let's see.
We always get really strange gifts from them every year.
Some chocolate. What are these?
What is that? Salt.
Salt and pepper shaker?
Okay. Yeah, salt and pepper shakers. And with a bunch of chocolate.
Oh, I'm gonna make like a little Christmas one.
Oh, okay. Okay. Is that what it is? Salt and pepper shakers?
And some other stuff. Say salt and pepper. Put them together, make them Christmas order.
Cute. Is this plastic or glass? That's glass. No, that's plastic. Oh.
Salad of
Hey, that's interesting. Williamson Sonoma. Hey. Yeah, now that looks good. I like stuff like that. What's that? Oh. Little
salad tongs.
Yeah. Okay. You like your gift?
Oh yeah.
Are you excited?
Oh, I'm excited.
All right. All right, so I wasn't gonna show you guys the basement because Keith has been working for months renovating the basement. It's his man cave, and I gave him full permission. He is decorating the entire thing. So, check out the floor. Check it out. So we still have a ways to go. So Keith, tell them what you plan to do down here.
Well, the next step is to take this hardwood flooring
Yeah?
and put it on the landing here.
Okay.
And then I gotta stain the treads and put them on there. And get that done. I still gotta put all the baseboards on.
Okay.
And I gotta put in the cabinets.
Over here on that wall, right?
And I guess that's about it.
Are you gonna put maybe a little bar area over here? Maybe we'll just get like a wine rack or something.
I don't know about that.
Well, okay. So look at this beautiful, a man cave, a beer rack.
Yeah.
Okay, so those white dots you say are just the lights reflecting. Oh, tell them about the ceiling. I just love it. It looks so cool.
It took 13 gallons of paint to spray it on.
Yeah, he did it all himself, you guys. It was so terrible before, and it really opened it up down here. So he took all that out and wanted to have an industrial look. But check out the floor. It's like a work of art. I wish those lights weren't so distracting.
It's like a bowling ball.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah. So, anyway, what else, Keith? Oh, this area here, there's Keith's new saw. But anyway, this area here, there's his rower, is the gym. We have had it down here before, so we're gonna kind of redo it and arrange things differently. We've got a treadmill, a rower, an elliptical, and what is it we were gonna get? Something else. Maybe a new weight machine, something like that. Oh, and maybe some Cybex equipment. All right, I'm back up here in my studio. I'm gonna show you what I've done, okay, with the painting. There it is. There he is. Okay, so I went about this a little differently. There. Okay, because, well, I'm out of breath. I went up 2 flights of stairs. Okay, so here he is. I went ahead and started on the background, and then I went ahead and put in the hat. And I started trying to figure out the placement of the eyes and a little bit of the nose. Now this isn't always how I do it, but I don't know, I'm just doing it this way this time, and you can see where the beard's gonna be. But anyway, I'll just show you guys gradually my progress. I don't like to do skin tone at night. I have this nice window, and I do skin tones during the day with natural light because it's just really hard to judge. So I did kind of paint a little bit of skin tone there, and I'm just gonna leave that alone until tomorrow, but I am going Christmas shopping tomorrow. And I've done all my shopping online. I've tried to avoid the stores, but I have 3 gifts, and they're the hard to buy for people, and my daughter's going with me, so we have to go, you guys. You gotta do what you gotta do. But anyway, I think I'm gonna work on his red coat and maybe his beard, but the face, I'm gonna wait till I have some natural sunlight. But I kind of have the placement of the eyes, as you can see, and you always start out with the eye sockets. So anyway, so that's what I've got done so far. All right, so this is the end of my Vlogmas for today. Nothing very eventful. I mean, this is just the way my life is. I never know what's going on. I stay home all the time. But yeah, tomorrow I will be out of the house for a while. I might vlog some of the shopping, but we'll see. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna make a promise there. But I'm just gonna sit here and I'm going to catch up on some of my YouTuber friends. I need to catch up on Bits and Bags. You guys, if you're not subscribed to her, you need to subscribe because she's amazing. And I just love her. And then, let's see, tomorrow's Thursday, so Friday we're going out for a birthday celebration. My oldest son's birthday. He turned 34, and I don't know how that is since I'm only 40. But we're gonna take him and his family out for dinner, so I'm really looking forward to that. So that's really all I've got for you guys today, and I will see you again, hopefully tomorrow. Bye-bye.